What's up, guys? It's the Tech Playoffs, and I'm back with a quick video, and I just wanted to show you guys really quick what I did to the Pixel 6. I know you guys, if you guys watched my last video, you've seen that I just picked this up. I've had it for some time now, for about a week or so, and I added a pretty sick skin on it. This came from, I believe it's pronounced SopiGuard. I got it online. It came within a couple days, and my favorite color is red, but of course, you can't buy a red Google Pixel. So I went ahead and bought the skin, and it came out amazing. As you can see the quality, this is a matte skin. Let me get closer to the light so you guys can see it a little bit better. This is a matte skin, so it helps against fingerprint, and it also gives it some more grip. But this, if you're in love with a color combination with black and red, this is the go-to skin to get. This I paid, I think it was around $12 to $14. And as you can see, it just goes well together with the black. So this is a matte black border around this phone. And this is a red skin. So it just goes great together with this phone. And I love that it's flat. It's just this design with this skin and this color combination looks amazing. As you can see, it covers the whole back plate of the phone. And I did it pretty well. You can't see no gaps, no bubbles, no lines underneath the skin. It looks really, really clean. That's the top part here. It came with the camera cover, but I didn't want to cover that. I want the black of the camera to pop out. So I left it off, and I think that was a really good decision. But as you can see here, man, look how clean this looks. Super good. If you guys are interested in getting this, you can go to their website. I believe it's called SopiGuard. This is where I got this skin from. And if you go ahead and you put a good wallpaper on it, like a red wallpaper, it's gonna match great with the back of the phone. So that's the setup that I'm rocking right now. Stock launcher with that wallpaper, Material U icons. But look how clean this thing looks. I'm telling you, man, this looks amazing with the black matte borders around this device, the black camera housing, the black Google logo right there in the back. It just looks clean. So if you guys are looking for something like this, go ahead. Like I said, you can go to that website, go ahead and buy it, and it'll come within a couple days depending on where you live. Other than that, guys, thank you for the support, and leave me a comment down below if you're interested in getting this. I can probably leave a link, and if you guys don't mind, please give me a follow. That'll really help me out. All right, guys, have a good day. Peace.